Hi, today I'd like to show you three apps to get paid $100 in free PayPal money. Yeah, this is really true. This is the earn free PayPal money opportunity right now that I'm going to reveal in this video. All you have to do is just stay with my video and do as I say to do. But before I show you that, hi, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more, let us make money online methods like this. Be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can get paid $100 or even more daily free PayPal money. Yeah, by just using these three apps, three way that I'm about to show you right now. The first app or the site that I'm about to show you is called userfill.com. Yes, userfill.com. This is the site. I'm sure you heard it for the first time. This is a brand new site, and this is as it is, it's a user testing site. You can see that you just discover your visitors issues and doubts with a better user testing tool. So this is a really fast growing, very brand new site, so it's getting popular very fast, and it's paying their users very well. So if you just go over to userfill.com, and you can see that, you can just scroll down and you can see that they are really good solid branded customers like this. You can see these people's all around the world working in these sites. This is a very plus point that you can work from anywhere in the world without any problem. And you can see that they have 140,000 qualified testers already working in these sites, and they have 500 plus happy clients. So this is among those clients. You can see that the big brands also working with userfill.com. So this is really good opportunity to you to start making money using this website as a user tester. Yes, you have to be a user tester to earn money from these websites. So if you just scroll down, you can see that the concept is people or companies around the world have some apps, websites developed, and various ways to sell their business or do their business, and they need it from upgradations or corrections of those apps, websites, and how they works. They need some user experience about it, so they comes over to these user testing websites. All they want is users opinions and feelings about their websites, how good they are or how bad they are, what is the problem, so that they want or they can fix those problems or those bugs, and in the next release they are good at it and they can grow their business fast with that. So this is a very good way to start earning money, because companies are willing to pay you for testing their websites or apps, and your opinions is really valuable to them, so that they can increase their business, they can increase their profit. So in that process they are going to pay you for your work. So all you have to do is just go over to these userfill.com websites, and you can just see that you can go through their features and various clients details and reviews. All it is out there, but all we are interested in is earning money. So you just scroll down and you can see that there is a testers sections here. You can see this is frequently asked questions for testers. If you click on that, this page will show up, and you will see that they are paying $10 per test. This is really awesome, and you can see that each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes of your time. So in just 10 minutes you can earn $10. So $60 per hour. If you just work some hours daily, you can definitely earn more than $100 without any problem. But this is something you have to be attentive, and because this is not that easy, if you just don't follow their rules. So they don't have any strict rules, but all you have to do is just they have to qualify you before you become a tester. So you just have to pass through a qualification test, which is very easy, not that difficult. And when you pass that qualification test and you are qualified, you will get testing jobs and you can start earning money with that. So all you have to do, all you need to have is just a computer. They are required is a Windows or Mac computer, as they say, and you just need a microphone for that. You can just purchase even a $2 microphone and it will work without any problem. And if you just have a laptop, then you don't even have to buy any microphone. You can work right away. So all you have to do is just go over to user fields and browse through their jobs and get qualified and start testing their apps, various apps and websites, and give your opinions, honest opinions, and you can start earning money without any problems. So if you just go over to their paid sections, you can see that they are paying using PayPal and Amazon gift cards. So this is really cool way. PayPal supports all over the world. Many countries have PayPals, and this is a very good way to start a decent amount of PayPal money without any problem with these sites. And these sites is really paying. And if you just want to start testing, you just scroll down and you can see that become a tester button. You can also click on get paid to test button in the menu, or in the bottom you can see all it comes to a registration page. You just fill in simple names, email, address, and some basic questions about you and your computer, and that's all. You just apply for tester and you become a tester, and then you get a qualification test. You just pass this test and you start earning money by user testing. So this is a really cool site. This is the first site that you can use to start good amount of money every day without any problem. So the second website that I have to show you, but before that, if you are liking this video, just go down below, press the like button and the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet, to get notified every time I publish new videos. So the second app that I'm going to show you is called honeygain.com. Yes, you may heard it already. Yes, this is a passive income apps that available in Windows. So you download the apps in your computer and run it. You can run it on your smartphone as well, and more devices you run, more money you will get. This is a really secure old app that not going to get any personal informations from you. This is completely secure. They just share your internet bandwidth to users around the world that they want. So in that process, they're going to pay some money, and Honeygain will share some revenue to you for sharing your internet. So this is really secure and no problem at all. You can just start passively. All you have to don't have to be an active user. You just run those apps on your devices and you're good to go, earn passive income. So this is not that much, but a little passive income is not that bad. So all you have to do is just let the apps run on your background, on your desktop, on your mobile devices, and you can get some pockets money every month without any problem. So this is the second website that you can start working with besides userfield.com. Then the third website that I have to show you today is called moneyapp.org. Yes, moneyapp.org. You may heard it or not. This is an offer app that just you install in your devices and you start completing some offers and you will get money or points for them. They have two options, as I say, but for some cases they only have Apple Store apps. Their maybe developing Google Apps. They have the options for Google Apps, but currently their Google Apps is not available right now. So if I go over to their Apple's app, you can see that they are getting 4.9 rating. This is a huge, and 127,000 people's already used and rated this app. So these apps definitely pays, and this is stable apps that you can start working with without any problem. If you just install these apps, complete some offers, and you will get point, and after that sometimes you can cash out those points into PayPal money. So these three apps are really good way. You can just using the first one is Userfill, then Honeycane and Money App to earn the daily $100, more than $100. I just said $100, but you can earn more than $100 daily from these websites, and Userfill is the first and the most important one in these three apps to get a good amount of money every day, and you can earn thousands of dollars every month if you just work regularly. So all you have to do is just be active, and money will definitely follow you. So this is it for now. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.